Good afternoon, everyone. Again, I am Cyrus Edward Isala, Senior Product Marketing Specialist for Canon Printers. And to start off, I'm just seeing a lot of famous people here, influencers, content creators, and directors, I think. So can we just give a round of applause to everyone and acknowledge the presence? Right, so earlier it was unveiled the R60, but this time we're going to talk about Canon printers. So can I just see all hands? Who among our attendees here use printer? Anyone? At least 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, marami. So specifically, Canon printer. Anyone using Canon printers? Ayan, mas marami totoo yan I'm so happy that may mga gumagamit pa rin ng printers despite the digital age. But sige, let's move on with the Canon printers. So, Canon has two types of printers. First in line is the cartridge. So in total, we have 16 models. And we have single function, meaning you can only print. We have also multifunction. You can scan, print, and multifunction printer with fax and 3-in-1. So it depends on what you want to use. And kung makikita nyo rin dito, may mga models na may Wi-Fi logo. It means this printer even use it wireless. Yeah, so 16 models. And aside from the cartridge, we have Megatank lineup, or also known as CISS, or the Continuous Ink Support System. So what's the difference between the cartridge and Megatank? Very sobrang literal. When we say cartridge, yung ink nasa lalagyan siya cartridge. And for Megatank, meron siyang tangke ng ink for continuous and seamless printing. So at this left side, we have our G10 series. Ito yung entry-level printers that we offer, affordable versus the competitors. So, kahit kung siya, affordable, if you compare the printing quality with other competitors, it's the best quality. And if you want to experience our new products, we have our G30 series. Yan, meron kami purple and green. So if you want something new, you can check it in our Shopee. And yung mga nasa right side naman, the G80 series, G70 and Maxify. Ito yung mga for businesses for heavy printing volume. And lahat sila dyan, may Wi-Fi logos, you can use it wirelessly. So a total of 22 Megatank plus 16 cartridge, we have 38 printers. So ang dami pong printer ni Canon that you can choose based on what your needs. Next slide. So let's talk more about the difference of cartridge and the Megatank. Next slide. Yeah, so you can take a photo of this. This is going to be a guide for you before choosing or purchasing your printer. At the left side, if you are that type of user na hindi masyado nag-print, pakibalik, you can opt to have the, pakibalik pa. Yeah, you can choose our NT cartridge or our A series. Kung hindi kayo masyado print, let's say for example, you only print 1 or twice a week, it's ideal for you to take this lineup. And if you are like a student na medyo marami, frequently mag-print, then you can definitely go for the Megatank or the Inktank. So ang difference lang, for home use, meron kami for 1 to 5 users. And meron din naman yung mas higher for 5 to 30 users. And if you're a business owner, and medyo mas marami yung kailangan yung print, then you can definitely go for the Megatank GX or the Inktank. Yeah, so just a guide, you can take a photo para at least you know anong kunin mong printer. Okay, next slide. Aside from these printers, let's talk about the inks. So we have our dye, hybrid, and pigment. So what's the difference in these three? Next slide. Let's start with the dye ink. So we have a sample here. When you say dye ink, mas vivid yung output kapag nag-print. So mga photographers, mas ideal na yung ginagamit ng type of ink kasi mas napapop yung color. So eto, nag-test kami last Tuesday, medyo inabot pa namin siya sa tubig. Using the photo paper, hindi siya agad-agad basta-basta nabubura. So eto siya. And aside from the dye, ito yung ginagamit ng paper. So photo paper siya, hindi siya agad-agad basta nabubura. And for the pigment ink naman, ito yung mga small particles that nag-penetrate talaga sa paper, kaya hindi siya basta-basta nabubura. So if you are the type of a user na nag-print mga important documents, you definitely need to have your pigment ink. Ayan. So ito yung example, binabad namin siya sa tubig, hindi siya agad nabura. And yung sa kabila naman, yung isa, medyo nabura siya, yung ginamit namin sa yung dye ink naman. Ayan. And yung hybrid, basically it's a both mix of dye and the pigment. Next slide. So most of Canon printers use hybrid, but we also have specific units na gumagamit ng dye, which is the Pixma G570 and G670. And specialized po siya for photo printing. And for heavy printing naman, we have the all Maxify printers na gumagamit ng pigment. And the rest of the Pixma, ano na siya, hybrid. Next slide. So as a content creator, what printer is best for you if you want to print stickers or photos? Then you should go for the Pixma G570. And if you're a type of the content creator who would prefer to print a lot of things, say for example your storyboards, your mood boards, your calendar, and a lot of things that you want to do, then you should definitely invest to a Maxify printer. There. So just to reiterate, Maxify GEX 47E. It's for, next, please click. Heavy duty, so kung madalas kayo mag-print for heavy volume. Next, if you want versatile up to 500 GSM, meaning you can print to mas makapal na paper. And convenient, since ano siya, pwede siya for Mac or Windows, then you should definitely invest for Maxify. And as mentioned earlier, we have the G570 or 670. This is ideal for photographers. Next, because of the premium quality, the Chroma Life 100, and it's also versatile from 275 GSM. So to end this short presentation, I just wanted to quote what Thomas Edison said, that vision without execution is hallucination. So don't hallucinate now and take a Canon printer in order for you to have a better execution. Again, thank you so much for listening. And for those who haven't visited our booth right here, please visit and experience it for yourself because it's really life-changing to have a Canon printer. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you